everybody, I just wanted to show you this. A friend of mine went to Uganda and he saw this, so he knows I do projects, so he bought this for me. It says 18 volts, 10 watts. This is a solar panel. So that's the information I got there. It's a current per maximum is 0.58 amps, and voltage is like 17 to 18 volts. Also, it says that it's 10 watts. Well, it's something that I can't tell, and I assume that they use these things to power their homes or power some light in their house. Now, I wonder if I can power my my little project here, which is this project here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out there. It's not a very sunny day at the moment. It's a bit drizzly and rain and overcast, but we'll have a look at it and see what we can do, see what voltage comes out, see if it powers this. I have no idea what I'm going to use it for, but maybe I can stick it on the roof somehow and leave it there. I have a solar power coming in all the time. But what they do is they have a battery as well, so it connects straight to the battery, which continually charges the battery, and then obviously from the battery they take the feed to light a bulb or whatever. Anyway, let's have a look. Okay guys, so I've got it in my conservatory. There's not much light here, but it's raining outside, so I've set this on 20 volts DC, and these are the leads coming out of the solar panel. I'm just going to check the voltage. I don't know if you can see it properly. Check the voltage there. It's giving me 16, nearly 17 volts there, guys. It does give me about 18 volts if I raise it up a little bit, I think, the solar panel. But let's have a look what else it does. Here we are, guys. It's a different day I'm looking at today, because a bit more sunshine there, and there it is. It's going. I don't know if you can see that, but it's going. I did put 200 and something ohm resistor in series before today. I haven't done it now, but it's working nicely. If I should lift this up higher, try and do this with one hand. As you can see, this speeds up. And we have this one here, which was a self-starting, but I have messed about with it a bit. I'm not sure if it'll work. This is flat down there. I'm just going to connect this to that. Oh, it's going. There you go. So yeah, it's still working good. Once it speeds up, it's really good. Like I said, I put a 200 and something ohm resistor in series with this power supply, just in case it burnt out, and I had this running all day. It was okay. Well, that's it, guys. I don't think it'll light a bulb or anything like that, but that's the best I can do for now. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it, what I'm going to use it for, but we'll see. I'm not sure if I mentioned that it costs £7, roughly 7-8 quid to buy that panel, which is quite cheap, I think. 30,000 shillings in Ugandan money. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Just a second. Hi guys. So my mate, same guy, gives me things, and he gave me these two batteries, and I'm thinking about my solar panel here. So I'm surprised and amazed. It's got some power in this one. Look, it's got 9.33. I'm sure this is 12. Yeah, it's supposed to be 12 volts. Yeah, it's supposed to be 12 volts. And this one has got 8.44, which is quite powerful indeed. So the idea is to use the solar panel and to charge the batteries, as it were, and use the batteries at the same time, or what should I say, use the batteries at evening time when you want to run something. So I'm gonna try and charge this battery, this one I think, and let's just make a note of that. That is what, 9.33, and see what it's like by the end of the day. Okay guys, so I thought I'd try a light bulb here, and because obviously what they use in Uganda to light some things. So yeah, this lights up, not very powerful, but it lights up anyway. So let me just check the voltage on this one. Oh yeah, it is 9.33, right? Oh, 8.85, because I used that. So I'm going to connect these up now. This one to this one, and the positive to this. I'm just going to check the voltage across here. As you can see, it's 11.7 and 8, something like that. So which is good, it means it's charging. There you go guys, this is late afternoon now, and it's charging, but if I take the charger off, you can see that it's still a good charge in there. Yeah, because now it's 12 volts, so I'm not sure what I'm going to use that with, but there you go. So this battery is not new, so it might not hold the charge very well, and it must discharge very quickly. I'll find some kind of use to make that